How to avoid the failure of a project after launch? The answer is, do the project discovery phase. Let's find out how to create it right. And watch this video till the end to know which benefits we got at Jelvix when introduced discovery phase. You're on the Jelvix channel, weekly videos on tech in 5 minutes. Don't forget to subscribe not to miss new videos. Discovery phase is the first stage of a development project aimed to gather information about the project and find the best solution to serve the client's needs. You're probably eager to know why the discovery phase is so important. Okay, we'll explain. It helps to make decisions based on useful information. It allows project managers to involve specialists from an early stage to help find a viable solution to the problem. It helps design the best user experience, increasing your ROI. It permits you to align business goals and strategies with the technology stack and solutions. It helps to discover the best technology and business solutions, and reduce the likelihood of making costly changes as the development process progresses. There are many cases when the discovery process is of paramount importance. Namely, there's no complete picture of the final product. Success is vital to the existence of a company. Stakeholders can't find common ground. Projects that are too complex or innovative, and the development budget is tight. Have you faced the issue of having a project idea in mind, but being unaware of how to turn it into life? How did you overcome it? Share your experience in the comments. Now, we need to see the project discovery core steps, right? Well, first, you need to create a project discovery team. The team includes product owner and stakeholders, business analyst, leading designer and UX expert, developer or technical expert, and project manager. Also, the discovery phase has basic building blocks, such as stakeholder identification, communication with stakeholders to define business goals, and review of internal documents and existing research, user avatars and user journeys, competitive analysis, specification of requirements for data analysis and systems, and deadlines and budget estimates. Now, are you wondering which discovery phase deliverables are? Let's take a look at them. The first point is software requirements specification. We at Jelvix always prepare this document that fully describes the project. The second point is a complex UI and UX concept. We're talking about the technical design concept of a website or mobile service that ideally comprises 2 parts, such as wireframes and interactive prototypes. The third point is a plan and estimate for the development of MVP. You'll receive the estimated composition of the team and an accurate estimate of the development timeline and budget. The fourth point is a roadmap for development and evaluation. Here you'll receive the recommended team composition, development budget estimates, and deadlines. And the last point is the discovery phase proposal. It'll help ensure that the project team creates a product that meets all the client's requirements and needs. By the way, we highly recommend you read the article that covers the product development process. The link is in the description. The discovery phase depends on the project's complexity and the amount of work. However, according to Jelvix team's experience, the average time required for a small project is from 1 to 3 days. The average time required for a middle-sized project is from 1 to 3 weeks, and a large project takes at least 4 to 5 weeks or more. Well, among the crucial benefits of conducting the project discovery phases are 1. Creating a market-driven product, because the discovery phase allows you to test your design idea with users rather than relying on assumptions. 2. Delivering a great user experience, as the discovery phase is great for identifying the problems you will solve with the application. 3. Building the foundation for prototyping, as without the discovery phase, it wouldn't be easy to make a great prototype and test the idea. 4. Ensuring clear product direction, as the discovery phase sheds light on the complexity and functionality of the project. 5. Controlling the risks, because the discovery phase helps to visualize the target clearly. And finally, 6. Reducing costs due to proper documentation and a well-coordinated team. So, both the company professionals and the client benefit from the discovery phase. Completion of the discovery phase of the project provides an opportunity to make an informed decision to prioritize or reject development. And are you ready to get started on the discovery phase for your new project? This video was prepared by the Jelvix team. We help top brands worldwide to innovate and accelerate digital transformation. We share the latest news about tech trends and innovations. So make sure to subscribe not to miss a single video. Also, share which topics we need to cover next on our channel. And don't forget to press the bell button. Bye for now.